Well, hello, my friends. It is Cecilia with Business on Autopilot, and I need to show you how to upload your Canva photo, cover photo for Facebook so it's the right size. I've updated this link and I'm updating this video right now. All right, so we'll go into Canva. We click the drop down, select Facebook cover. And the problem is Facebook has made their changes and Canva did not keep up with those changes. So you know how to do a cover photo. I'm randomly just picking one and then you select download, right? So that is your cover photo. So let's pick my Facebook cover photo and I'll show you why you need to resize it. So all my designs, and here's my cover. Nope. Download. PNG, always. All right, so it's going to download and I am going to go into my Facebook business page. So this is my resized cover photo. You see how everything fits, everything's there. You see what you need to see. So I'm going to show you what Canva gives you so you can see the difference. So let's upload my Canva photo, this one, and this is supposed to be the cover photo. Give it a sec. All right, so you see the difference? How it's just, you can't see my whole SWV. You can't see, let's use social media. I mean, it just, so if I move it up, let's use social media to make boss moves. If I move it down, a real boss has no boss, right? So it's just not the right size. So all you have to do is go into Simple Image Resizer. The link is right here in the workbook. And you are going to upload your cover photo that you downloaded from Canva. Now, this is what it looks like when you upload your cover, right? So there's the link to my cover photo, or I should say it looks like when you go to Simple Image Resizer. Percentage is automatically selected. You want to select dimensions, and you want to enter 850 by 320, and you want to select resize. All right, so now it's done. You want to select download. This is going to open in a new window. You're going to right click, save image as, and then you're going to save it to wherever you save your photos, right? So it'll put the dimensions on there, 850 by 320. You'll save it to your downloads. And then, only then, when you go to Facebook and upload your cover photo, it'll be the perfect size so people see exactly what they need to see. So that is today's tutorial video on how to resize your Canva cover photo to make it the right dimensions for your Facebook cover. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.